For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. As the wait for the COVID-19 vaccine continues, many companies are in race to find a vaccine. Before the vaccine is developed, plasma therapy is being used in serious COVID patients. Plasma is the liquid component in the blood that carries antibodies, hormones, and various nutrients across the body. Convalescent plasma is the plasma collected from people who were infected and have made a complete recovery. These people develop antibodies which are of vital importance. Antibodies are proteins used by the body to fight off infections and thus provide immunity to those who have beaten COVID-19. Plasma of these patients is transfused into the blood of patients fighting COVID-19. The therapy may be specifically beneficial to those who are extremely sick and haven't responded to other treatments which may require ventilator support. The approach has been used earlier in medical history with diseases such as the Ebola virus, diphtheria, scarlet fever, pertussis, Spanish flu, H1N1, and many other viral and autoimmune illnesses. The treatment involves taking plasma of patients who have recovered from COVID-19 as they carry antibodies against the viruses in their plasma. Sufficient antibody production is not universal, but many such patients have a healthy number of antibodies. The plasma from recovered patients can be used in newly infected patients who do not have antibodies to fight the illness. Since many are unaware about the plasma therapy, Professor H. Paramesh, pediatric pulmonologist, explained to us about the plasma therapy. When the patient is serious and other measures fail, he should get plasma treatment. When the breathing difficulties increases or respiratory rate and grunting increases, oxygen saturation comes down below 92%, he or she should definitely be treated based on the condition. Plasma of COVID-19 recovered patients has antibodies against the virus to destroy them, and it is an old treatment of the century. Adverse reactions can happen like any other blood transfusions. You might be wondering when one can become a donor. A donor should wait up to 14 to 28 days after full recovery before being approved to donate. And also, the person must not have any symptoms of illness. A person who is ready to donate should go under all official diagnostic tests, which include SARS-CoV, HIV, hepatitis B and C virus, etc. Blood plasma is collected through a procedure called plasmapheresis, which usually takes around 45 minutes. During this procedure, blood is drawn from the body and the plasma is separated. The blood cells and platelets are then returned to the donor. The general volume of plasma to be collected is between 300 ml to 600 ml. Once the plasma is extracted, it is frozen at -180 degrees Celsius or colder within 24 hours of extraction, and it can be stored for up to 12 months from the date of extraction. If a donor may wish to donate once again, if done previously by the plasmapheresis method, he or she should wait for about 7 days. Experts also say that the treatment is not 100% effective and still is in experimental stage.